రమ్మీ గురించి ఆలోచిస్తున్నారా? ace23.com ఉంది కదా.
No, that is Manmadudu Koda. He hates women. And a tagline icham. If you remember, Manmadudu cinema. Actually, a cinema just say completely reverse. The cinema lo chivarlo oka dialogue untadi. Rajkumarudu evaru అమ్మాయిని రాణిలా చూసుకునేవాడే రాజ్కుమార్. And that's the dialogue. That's the last dialogue of the film. So that's a tagline. We use it as a tagline to create some this thing. ఎక్కడ ఎటు తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు నాకు తెలుసు.
Chalpati Rao's vulgar comment has also created a stir in the internet. People are not taking well.
Yeah, of course they should not take it well.
Even nobody would take it well.
Nobody should take it well in the right mind. That's why I put on my Twitter saying dinosaurs do not exist anymore. You know, that's what I meant exactly. Dinosaurs do not exist. They were people. It was like once they could get away with everything, saying anything. It's not right.
Yeah,
I mean, meerandaru condemn cheyara, nene cheyala. All of you should condemn it. As a press and media, you should all condemn statements like that. Not Chalpati Rao only. Anybody who makes statements like that. It is not right. ఆయన గురించి నేను కామెంట్ చేయకూడదు. It is not right. Prabhu, don't pull me into that. I am saying it should be, it should not. Those are not right. వింటాకి బాగుండవు.